Good day guys, and welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button guys. Make sure you like and share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel guys, so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. You can also subscribe to our membership program, our YouTube membership program, so that you can get to take a trade with us. You can also get to go live with us, and you also be able to get an exclusive updates from us. So all you just need to do is check the channel and subscribe to our membership program. Now let's take a look at what market is actually going to be giving us this week. Now, in order for you to be able to predict what market will be doing for us this week, you need to go to a higher time frame and understand one thing, which is the trend. So these are the two rules of trading you have to follow whenever you want to take a trade. The first rule is to know the trend. Second rule is to trade with the trend. So these are the two rules of trading you must know and you should always follow. First, know the trend. Second, trade with the trend. Now the question is, what is the trend on our gold? What can you say the trend is on the gold? Now, if you take a look at this movement right here, guys, on gold, we are in a downtrend move right here. Previously, the trend was in an uptrend move. This was the previous trend, right? It was what? Trending to the upside. Right now, we are now trending to the downside. This is where the second rule of trading comes in, which is trade with the trend. So if market is trending downward, you should be looking for a sell, right? You should be looking to go in for the sell. That is what you should be looking for. Now, let's zoom it in right here. This is the, on the weekly time frame, by the way, this is the impulsive move that market did give us, right? That is the impulsive move that market did give us. Then this is the corrective phase, right? The pullback phase, right? Now market has now dropped to give us an equal low right here, right? So we should be expecting what? Market to drop further, which has dropped, right? Taking out this low, we should expect it to still drop further, right? So that is to tell you that there's going to be more movement to the downside, right, on our gold. So if you are not yet in the sell, look to go in for the sell. But if you're in the sell, still holding on your sell position, because market will still be dropping more. So guys, now that we will be expecting market to drop more, right? This would now take us, so if you take a look at this right here, bearish, a close, open and close bearish here for the week one, week two of it opening and closing bullish, bearish, sorry, week three of it opening and closing bearish, and this is week four of it opening and closing bearish. This week that just ended, markets literally gave us a bearish move. Now let's drop to our daily time frame. So our daily time frame is what? Our daily time frame is on a downtrend move. Now, this is it right here. Let's zoom it out. You can see that market right here has been giving us a series of lower low and a lower high. This is our first low and this is our lower high that market gave us. This is also what? A new lower low. Here comes the lower high that market did give us, right? This is our low. Here comes the lower high that market did give us, right? Now this is what? A new lower low, right? This is a new lower low that market did give us that took out this previous low, right? So with this new lower low that market has given us, we should what? Expect market to give us a pullback. So a pullback is what we should be expecting on our gold. So once gold can give us a pullback, then we can now expect it to give us some more drop to take out this low, thereby forming a new lower low. So what we're trying to say is that a bearish move on gold is what you should be expecting for the week. If you are not yet in the sell, guys, once the market opens, what you should do is wait for your pullback. Remember, do not just hop in on the sell. Do not just jump in on the sell, because if you take a look at this moment, as market has given us a drop and gave us a pullback, then it eventually did give us another drop. Common sense as a trade, right? You should know that market should be giving you a pullback. Once market can give you the pullback, then and then you can now expect market to give us one more drop that will form a new low, thereby taking out this low. So guys, more movement to the downside is what we should be expecting, right, on our gold. So make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram. You will find the links to the Telegram in the comment section.